Cadets, today we are going to start the discussion about the new chapter, that is the redox reaction. Cadets, this chapter is very important as per our NDA, JEE, NEET exams. In our previous lecture, all of you study about the different types of chemical reactions, that is combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. These are the different types of reaction. Redox reaction is also one type of reaction, but this reaction is different from the combination, displacement, double displacement, decomposition, neutralization, exothermic, endothermic reactions. Okay, now today we are going to start the discussion about this topic, that is redox reaction. The word redox is a combination of two words, red plus ox. Red means reduction, ox means oxidation. Both process, reduction and oxidation, takes place in only one reaction. एक ही रिएक्शन में ये दोनों प्रोसेस होती है. That is why it is called redox reaction. Reaction is nothing but process of formation of new substance. New substance को फॉर्म करने का जो प्रोसेस होता है उसको हम रिएक्शन कहते हैं. So in this reaction, formation of new substances takes place by oxidation and reduction. By oxidation and reduction. So definition, very simple definition of redox reaction is that the reaction in which both process oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously are called redox reaction. कि जिस रिएक्शन में ये दोनों प्रोसेस साइमल्टेनियसली होती है ऐसे रिएक्शन को हम ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन प्रोसेस जिस रिएक्शन में होती है उसको हम कहते हैं redox reaction. Okay, now next point, that is discussion about the oxidation and reduction reactions. Separate definition of oxidation, separate definition of reduction. So first, oxidation reaction. Definition number 1, the reaction in which addition of oxygen is takes place. Are called oxidation reaction. For example, when magnesium ribbon is heated in the presence of oxygen, formation of magnesium oxide is takes place. And in this reaction, addition of oxygen is takes place here. Another example is here, when carbon reacts with oxygen, formation of carbon dioxide. In this reaction also, addition of oxygen is takes place. So addition of oxygen is called oxidation. Second, removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Another definition of oxidation, when hydrogen sulfide reacts with oxygen, it gives sulfur solid plus H2O liquid. So in this reaction, हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड एंड ऑक्सीजन दोनों का रिएक्शन हो रहा है एंड रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम फ्रॉम सल्फर इज टेक्स प्लेस. यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो रहा है सल्फर से. दैट इज वाई रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज आल्सो कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन, addition of electronegative element. Addition of electronegative element. Electronegative element, the element which acquires negative charge or have a tendency to pull up electron pair towards itself are called electronegative elements. For example, when magnesium reacts with fluorine, here fluorine is an example of electronegative element. So formation of magnesium fluoride is takes place here, MgF2 solid. Okay. So this reaction is an example of addition of electronegative element. Another example is also there. When magnesium reacts with sulfur, it gives magnesium sulfide. ये भी एक इसका एग्जाम्पल है. नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन, दैट इज एडिशन ऑफ नॉट एडिशन, removal of electropositive element. Electropositive element are also called oxidation. For example, when Hg2Cl2 is on decomposition mercurous chloride, it gives HgCl2 plus Hg. मर्क्यूरी यहाँ पे रिमूव हो जाता है. Hg2Cl2, there is Hg2, 2Hg, there is 1Hg, mercurous chloride. ये mercurous chloride का कन्वर्जन मर्क्यूरी क्लोराइड में होता है and remove electropositive element, that is Hg. That is why the removal of electropositive element is also called oxidation reaction. Next definition है loss of electron. Loss of electrons. जिस रिएक्शन में इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस होते हैं, ऐसे ये रिएक्शन को ऑक्सीडेशन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सोडियम लूजेस इलेक्ट्रॉन, so loss of electron is takes place here. Magnesium, it also loses electron, loss of electron. So this reaction में इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस होता है, उसको कहते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. So this is all about the definition of oxidation reaction.